Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Seedream 4.0 for free, and it is for generating the picture. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to access this Seedream here, I will use this openart.ai, and here I also have done the login or sign up first with my email. And for the new user, as you can see, they will give you 40 credits to generate the image here and also several tools here. But today we will focus to try the Seedream, and after that you will see a lot of tool here, and you can go to the image, and after that you can see the several setting to try to create the image or do the image editing, and you can do the chat to edit the picture here guys, and even creating the character or bug create. And for example, I would like to generate the image using this OpenArt with the Seedream 4.0 style. And if you direct your cursor into this model and or character, you can find a lot of style or the model over here. There are Seedream, Nano Banana, Flux, Flux Pro even, and also Quen Image, Seedream 3.0, GPT Image 1, and a lot of model guys. And for example, I would like to try to generate the image, and I have prepared the prompt over here, and you can also activate this toggle to enhance this prompt, and you can also inactivate it. And you can also put the image references, like if you have ever tried the Nano Banana to do the photo editing, and you can simply put the picture over here. And for the output setting, I will choose the output to be auto, and after that the resolution of this Seedream 4.0 will be 4000K guys. Isn't that amazing, right? And after that, as you can see, the number of image that will be generated can be setting here. If we would like to create it to become 2, so it will consume 30 credits. But if I reduce it to become 1, so it will only consume 15 credit guys. And after that, you can continue to click create and kindly wait for the result in this section. And after generation process, so this will be the picture guys. I will zoom it for you and click it to see the result. As you can see that the picture is ready and really is really beautiful, following this every single detail of this prompt. And you can also simply download it, and there is not any watermark in every single corner. So that's all guys, don't forget to try to generate or do the photo editing with Seedream, and you can also find this Seedream model into your favorite AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.